In this video, you are going to see how to insert the calendar symbol in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, we are going to apply two methods. To insert the symbol, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Let us increase the font size. Now go to Insert, go to Symbol and choose the font to Webdings. And go down and here you will see the symbol. Click on Insert, select this one and click on Insert. Then the symbol will be inserted. Select it. If you go to Home, if you want, you may change the font color from here very easily. There is another method. Go any browser and write calendar icon and go to image, and here you will see the calendar icon image preview. Click on over here. Let us choose this one. Click on over here, click on right button, go to copy image and press Ctrl V to paste it over here. Now you can reduce its size and you can keep it anywhere in your PowerPoint. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.